Nike introduced a comparatively tiny number of the original neons back in April, and now the Air Max 95 OG movement is fully underway. Collaborations that have included the restored Air units, such as Workout's extremely limited release in late May, in addition to the inline colorways, demonstrate that the swoosh has formally moved away from the previous units for good. The GR lineup will next have this gentle colorway with a nice vest gray top and a nearly monochrome design. The exposed eyelet loops, the mini-Swoosh at the heel, and the punch of a hyper pink on the multi-chambered Air unit starkly contrast with Nike's concrete lifestyle style, which includes subtle transitions to Platinum Tint and pure Platintum from the mesh covering to the midsole. Almost like the inner flesh showing through the skin, it resurfaces on the bottoms. The next release will retail for $180 on Nike.com and at Swoosh affiliated stores across the globe.